Hi guys! Welcome to Ligaya Vlog! We're here in Top Cebu. Samahan niyo kong gumala dito sa Cebu. And dito kami sa Tops. Dahil sa direction guys, nakapag Cebu tayo. Yan. Thank you so much. Samahan niyo ako guys na gumala dito sa Tops. Ililibot ko din kayo kung gaano kaganda dito guys. Tour ko kayo. Tama ka si Ruby!
Hi! Yobat na rin ako.
Telma! Bakit ako? So, nakapunta kami dyan guys. And grabe, sobrang ganda ng view. Breathtaking talaga guys. Napakaganda ng overlooking dyan guys, promise. Ito yung Skytops 360 guys. Entrance fee yan guys ng 100 pesos. Guys, we're going to get up, go up. Get up, go up. Alright. So, ayan guys, pataas na kami dyan ni Bossing. And paikot yung pagpunta sa 4th and 5th floor. And magbabayad lang kayo sa baba dyan. What I mentioned earlier is 100 pesos each. And you will see the whole Cebu actually. So yan, napakaganda talaga dyan ng view guys. So alam nyo ba, pag-akyat ko po talaga, sulit yung pag-akyat papuntang 4th and 5th floor. Kasi ang taas talaga ng hagdan. Ayan, may makikita kayo dyan na parang damo or parang carpet na damo. Ayan. And napakalakas ng hangin yan guys, so breathtaking talaga. Talagang wow talaga ako dyan guys. Ito yung first space dito sa Tops. Pag-akyat niya pa lang guys. And grabe guys, nakakatanggal ng stress yung view. Look at the view guys, sobrang ganda. Kita mo yung buong Cebu. Ayan yung cities. Nakita ko rin dyan actually yung dinaanan namin. And also yung tulay. I also experienced the telescope. I already uploaded that guys sa previous vlog ko guys. Na-upload ko na yan. And I just uploaded just like with the music. Ito naman is yung full vlog. Pero si Bossing na lang nandyan. Na-delete ko na yung iba kasi na full memory na ako. Yan. So yan, yung telescope na yan guys. Kala mo sobrang lapit talaga sa mata mo yung city. Yung makikita mo yung sobrang liit ng view na yan guys. 360 guys. Kitang-kita mo. Magte-take over ng vlog ko si Bossing.
Yan guys. Yan guys. First time natin dito na makatingin ng telescope. Ang pangalan niya ay Sky 360 telescope. 360 to boss. Guys, 360. Naikot guys. Yan. Buong Cebu, yung buong ano ng Cebu nakikita mo guys, pati yung San Juanico Bridge nakikita mo. Ito ay sa taas ng Tres Marias Tos kung tawagin. Dito yan sa taas ng bundok ng Cebu. Ito yung pinaka mataas na ano ng bundok ng Cebu na dito ano yung 360. Ano guys, ito natin guys.
Yan guys, habang nag-enjoy si Boss sa telescope 360. And alam nyo ba guys, trivia lang, at the back po niyan is makikita nyo yung statue ni Jesus. Oh, grabe guys, parang napakalapit mo kay Jesus yung statue niya. I'm really amazed, I am really touched what I saw that time. And ito ay tinatawag na Sky 360 telescope guys. So, sobrang lapit mo lang, nakikita mo dyan. Obviously, nag-enjoy si Boss. I actually enjoyed that time. And I'm really amazed. So, thankful and nakaakyat ako at si Bossing dyan. At breathtaking talaga guys. So, unforgettable experience nung nakasama kami dyan or nakataas kami dyan sa may Cebu Tops guys. So, why don't you try this? And actually, ito yung babalik-balikan ko guys. So, yun lang guys. And thank you so much for watching. Spread love, spread good vibes. Ingat lagi. Bye!